Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the AirScreen app, and you can download this app on your Fire TV right now with this tutorial. Follow up to the end and you get the app installed and downloaded in a very short period of time. So pay attention and go to the find icon at the top right here. So when you click on find, you go down to the search bar and you have the keyboard pop up. On the keyboard, use to type in the application of choice. So for this tutorial, we're looking to download the AirScreen app. So type in AIR and you can find the suggestion below, AirScreen. Tap on AirScreen and you find the app right here. So clicking on the app once opens it and you find the download button loading. When the download button is completed, click on it and your download begins automatically. Now after a few seconds, your download is going to begin, and that right there is it beginning. When the download is complete, you're going to find an automatic install process. So all you need to do is to sit down and relax, wait for the installation to complete, and you have this app available directly in your app store, or rather in your app library. So just head over to your app library, launch the application and enjoy. You could choose to open the app from the open button that pops up. Immediately the app is installed, and that's it for this tutorial. Now if you find insight in this tutorial, hit that like button. Support the channel by subscribing. Be part of us and we'll see you in the next video.